Eat an orange before working out. Not only does it keep you hydrated, but it also prevents your muscles from getting sore. Eating oranges before and after workouts is a secret used by fitness buffs and personal trainers to help their bodies stay strong during and after workout. Orange and other citrus fruits contain the vitamins and minerals that your body needs to help the muscles stay strong and repair themselves after a hard workout. The stronger your muscles are, the more they will benefit from the workout. Oranges have juice that has all the electrolytes and vitamins you need, so drinking fresh juice before and after your workout is all you need to stay properly hydrated and healthy. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. We provide 1-minute knowledge daily.